ಎಲ್ಲ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನು ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಇಲಾಖೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಏನು ಕಲಿಕಾ ನಿರ್ವಹಣಾ ಪದ್ಧತಿ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಜಾರಿಗೆ ತರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಒಂದು ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಪದ್ಧತಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಹ ನಾನು ಕಾಲೇಜು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೋರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಅವಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಂಬ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಹಾಗೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅದರ ಒಂದು ವಿಭಾಗೀಯ ಲೆಕ್ಕಪತ್ರಗಳೇನಿದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಹಾಗೆ ಒಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ we will read the information which is given in the problem or illustration. From the following particulars, prepare trading and profit and loss account in the books of a trader and also prepare balance sheet. Here there are two departments in this form, Department A and Department B. So what are the expenses relating to that particular firm, and some of the ledger account balances is given in this illustration. The first thing is stock and 1/4/2020. This is opening stock. Department A 17,400, Department B 14,700. Purchases made during the year, Department A 35,000, Department B 30,000. Sales, Department A 60,000, B rupees 40,000. Wages 8,200, 2,700. And the common expenses incurred in the firm is given: rent, taxes and insurance 9,390, sundry expenses 3,600, salaries 3,000, lighting and eating 2,100, discount allowed 2,220, discount received 650, advertisement 3,680, carriage inwards 2,340, furniture 3,000, plant and machinery 21,000, sundry debtors 6,060, sundry creditors 30,650, capital of the proprietor or trader 47,660, drawings made during the year 4,500, and the cash balance is 10,070. This is the balances of various ledger accounts which is given in the problem. Along with there is an additional information. So first one, internal transfer of goods from Department A to Department B at a cost price of rupees 420. That is, whatever the transfer made from Department A to Department B is given rupees 420. Rent, taxes and insurance, sundry expenses, lighting and eating, salaries and carriage inwards to be distributed in the ratio of 2/3 and 1/3 between A and B. Next one, advertising to be apportioned equally. Next comes discount allowed and received to be apportioned as per sales and purchases, ignoring transfers. Depreciation at 10% per annum on furniture and machinery to be charged to A department and to B department in the ratio of 3:1. Services rendered by B department to A department included in the wages of B department rupees 500. Stock and 31st/3/2021 were Department A rupees 16,740, Department B 12,050. So this is the information provided in the problem. This problem has been asked for the exam in 2017. From the information given in the problem, so we are going to be we are going to prepare trading and profit and loss account. So here the year ending is 31st 3 2021. So first we are going to prepare the trading account. So in the trading account, a debit side stock, opening stock, that is the stock which is given for 1/4/2020 is going to be debited. So they have given for Department A 17,400, Department B 14,700. Purchases, Department A 35,000, Department B 30,000. So transfers which is given in the additional information, that is from Department A the goods has been transferred to Department B at a cost price of rupees 420. So that's why, so whatever the goods which is received by the Department B from the Department A has been debited rupees 420, that is transfer. Next, wages. So wages directly given in the problem for Department A 8,700, for Department B 2,200. There is an adjustment, that is service for the service provided from Department A to B, but it is going to be ignored here. So that's why directly whatever the amount given in the problem that has been taken or that has been debited for the departmental trading account. Next, carriage inwards. Here carriage inwards is going to be allocated between both departments and the ratio of 2:1 which is provided in the problem, that is directly they have given. So the carriage inwards is going to be allocated or distributed between the departments in the ratio of 2/3 and 1/3. On the base of that we are going to be distributed between the departments. So these are the items related to the debit side of the departmental trading account. And for the credit side, sales which is given in the problem, that is 60,000 and 40,000. And transfers, so that is which provided in the additional information. So that is from Department A to Department B, a goods worth rupees 420 has been transferred. So that's why here for the 420 rupees the transfer which is made by Department A is going to be credited. And closing stock, the stock which is given, that is stock on 31st 3 2021, that has been taken here. So that is 16,740 and 12,050. This is the information which relates to trading account. By considering this information, we are going to be tallied the trading account to ascertain the either gross profit or gross loss. But in this problem, gross profit is going to be ascertained. Here credit column total is more than the debit column total. That total is going to be put in both the columns. From the credit column total, debit column total has been deducted. Whatever the balance amount available will be treated as the gross profit. Here for the Department A, gross profit is 14,500, and for Department B, gross profit is 3,950. Total gross profit to the firm is 18,450. ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಏನು ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಲೆಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದರ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಕೌಂಟನ್ನು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಕೌಂಟನ್ನು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಎರಡು ವಿಭಾಗಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಹಾಗೆ, ವಿಭಾಗ ಎ ಮತ್ತು ವಿಭಾಗ ಬಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಹಾಗೆ. ಸೊ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಆ ಒಂದು ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕು, ಪರ್ಚೇಸಸ್ ಏನಿರ್ಬೋದು, ವೇಜಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಕ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸನ್ನು ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಅಡಿಷ್ನಲ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಏನು ನಮಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಲೆಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಭಾಗ ಎ ಇಂದ ವಿಭಾಗ ಬಿಗೆ ಏನು ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ವರ್ಗಾವಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಅದರ ಒಂದು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದರ ಆಧಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಬಿ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ಸ್ ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೇಲ್ಸನ್ನು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಎ ಇಂದ ಅದನ್ನು ಎ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಮತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಒಂದು ಲೆಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಏನು 31/3/2021ಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಹಾಗೆ ಏನು ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಇದೆ, ಎರಡೂ ವಿಭಾಗಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಹಾಗೆ ಆ ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕನ್ನು ನಾವು ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟು ಎರಡು ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಹಾಗೆ ಆ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಕಾಲಮು ಎರಡು ವಿಭಾಗಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಹಾಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಇದೆ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ಗಿಂತ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಎರಡೂ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಟೋಟಲನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಟೋಟಲನ್ನು ನಾವು ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬೋದಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಗೆ. And all other expenses which is given in the problem is going to be debited to profit and loss account and going to be allocated between department A and B on the basis of a ratio which is said in the problem. So first, salaries, it is going to be distributed between A and B on the basis of 2:1 which is provided in the problem. Next, rent and taxes, sundry expenses, lighting and heating, all these expenses allocated between department A and B and the ratio of 2:1. Next, discount allowed. Here discount allowed is going to be divided between both departments on the basis of sales ratio. Next, advertisement. So advertisement is going to be allocated between both the departments equally, which is provided in the information, that is equally, that means 1:1. And depreciation, the depreciation and furniture is stated in the problem 10%. The value of furniture or the furniture account contains the balance of rupees 3,000. So on that 3,000, 10% depreciation is provided. So the amount of depreciation is 300 rupees. That should be allocated between the departments and the ratio of 2:1 and 3:1. On the base of 3:1, that is going to be allocated, that is 225 and 75. Next, depreciation and plant and machinery. The plant value is 21,000 and the rate of depreciation is 10%. 2,100 is the depreciation amount, and the ratio is given, that is 3:1 in the problem, and the basis of 3:1 means, so that is 1,575 and 525, total would be 2,100. Next, in credit side, discount received is going to be credited. So here discount received is going to be credited on the basis of purchase ratio. So whatever the purchase ratio purchases given, and that, so purchase ratio is a certain, that is 7:6. On the base of that, discount received is going to be distributed between A and B. So now we are going to balancing both the columns. So here debit column total is more than the credit column total, that is going to be mentioned in the both columns. From debit column total, credit column total is going to be deducted, and the balance available will be termed as the net loss. Here both departments incurring the losses. Department A 2,182 and Department B 5,108 rupees losses is going to be incurred during the year. ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟು ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ವೆಚ್ಚಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ವೆಚ್ಚಗಳನ್ನು ನಮಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಅನುಪಾತದಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡೂ ವಿಭಾಗಗಳಿಗೆ ಹಂಚಿಕೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಆ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಂಚಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸ್ಯಾಲರೀಸು, ರೆಂಟು, ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಸ್ಸು, ಸನ್ಡ್ರಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಲೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೀಟಿಂಗನ್ನು 2:1 ರೇಷಿಯೋಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಚಿಕೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟನ್ನು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 1:1 ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಡಿಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ನು ಫರ್ನಿಚರು ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಿಷಿನರಿಗೆ 3:1 ರೇಷಿಯೋನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫರ್ನಿಚರ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಹಾಗೆ 10% ಡಿಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ನ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಫರ್ನಿಚರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3000 ಇದೆ. 3000 ಮೇಲೆ 10% ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 300 ರುಪೀಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 300 ರುಪೀಸ್ನ 3:1 ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಅದೇ 225 ಮತ್ತು 75 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಮಿಷಿನರಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂದು 21,000 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ ರೇಷು ಬಂದು 3:1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 3:1 ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಿಷಿನರಿ ಬಂದು 2100 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಗೆ ಬಂದು 1575 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಬಿಗೆ 525 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಟೋಟಲಿಂದ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಟೋಟಲನ್ನು ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಏನು ಉಳಿಕೆ ಹಣ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಿವ್ವಳ ನಷ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕರಿಬೋದಾಗಿದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು balance sheet. So here balance sheet is going to be prepared. This is the last step relating to the departmental accounts. So in the debit side, capital which is given in the problem 47,660. From that, so we are going to deducting the net loss which is ascertained in the profit and loss account. From the both department, the loss is 7,290 rupees. So the balance available, from that balance again we are going to deducting the drawings is given in the problem 4,500. So after deducting net loss and drawings from the capital, the balance available or the capital will be available in the business is 35,870. And sundry creditors which is given in the problem 30,650. Only these items are these balances are there in the liability side of the balance sheet. In the asset side of the balance sheet, fixed assets, relating to the fixed assets, furniture, the first one furniture, here fixed assets is mentioned. Furniture, that is furniture value is 3,000. From that depreciation is going to be deducted 300. So 2,700 balance available. Plant and machinery 21,000, depreciation is 2,100, 18,900 is available. Sundry debtors given in the problem 6,060. Closing stock, both departments, Department A and Department B, total stock is 28,790. Cash in hand given in the problem 10,070. So this is the whatever the balances of assets which is given in the problem that has been taken. So the balance sheet total contains 66,520. So thank you for watching this video for all the viewers. Thank you.